In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text, notes, rectangles, ellipses, and lines in Draw.io using keyboard shortcuts. Let's jump right in. Open your browser and head to Draw.io. Once you're on the canvas, make sure it's active by clicking on an empty area. This is important because keyboard shortcuts only work when the canvas has focus. What we'll cover are 5 quick keys that let you add the most common elements without reaching for the toolbar, so you can build diagrams faster and stay in your flow. To add text, press the A key on your keyboard. Your cursor switches to the text tool, and you can click once on the canvas to place your label. Type your content right where you clicked, and then click on any empty space to finish. If you need to move it, drag it to the spot where it makes the most sense for your diagram. To add a note, press S. This gives you a sticky note style element that's perfect for comments or quick callouts. Click on the canvas to place it, then type your message. Notes stand out nicely against shapes and connectors, so they're great for reminders, assumptions, or annotations that you don't want to lose in the details. To add a rectangle, press D. Rectangles are the backbone of many flowcharts and system diagrams. After pressing D, click to place the rectangle, then drag its edges to adjust the size if you need to. You can always reposition it later by dragging, so don't worry about perfect placement on the first try. To add an ellipse, press F. Ellipses work well for start and end points, highlights, or any element that needs to visually stand apart from rectangular blocks. As before, click to place it and then adjust the size or position to fit your layout. To add a line, press C. Click once to set the starting point, move your cursor to where the line should end, and click again. Lines are ideal for connecting ideas or showing flow between shapes. If you want to extend a line or add angles, simply continue clicking to add additional points, then click on an empty spot to finish. If a shortcut doesn't seem to respond, make sure no text field is currently active and that you've clicked on the canvas first. One more memory tip. These keys sit comfortably under your left hand, so with a little practice, A, S, D, F, and C will become second nature. And that's it. You've learned how to add text, notes, rectangles, ellipses, and lines quickly in Draw.io using simple keyboard shortcuts. You're done.